Today, for the first time, we are seeing body camera video from the drive-by tasing that led to 2 Willis police officers being sentenced to a year in jail. A jury in Montgomery County just convicted them both for tampering with a governmental record.
Yeah, the officers lied after using a stun gun on a man, then charging him for a crime he didn't even commit. Here's Adam Bennett with more.
July 29, 2017.
Drive-by tasing? You know how to chase?
Can we do that? Yeah, I'm not going to chase him on foot. I don't need to chase him. My car will chase him, though. Go pick him up. He's me off now.
Willis police were called to this home on Hill Street after a family disturbance. Prosecutors say the man outside was not directly involved, but did have 3 Class C misdemeanor warrants. But because those officers never told the man to stop or that he was under arrest, he was not breaking the law by leaving. Despite several videos recording the entire incident, DA Brett Ligon says officers Kenneth Elmore and John McCaffery lied to the DA's office. They also lied on the arrest report, the incident report, and the use of force report. All documents the DA's office relied on to charge the man they tased with evading. That changed in December 2017 when a prosecutor prepping for the trial saw the video. The man's evading charge was dismissed and Texas Rangers launched an investigation. A grand jury indicted Elmore and McCaffery 6 months later. Today, the DA released a statement saying the 2 officers, quote, disregarded their oaths to protect, to serve, and to tell the truth. He goes on to say the jury, quote, saw through their lies and that by convicting the 2 men, quote, protected the community by preventing them from being police officers.